Hi, my name is Antonietta and I love cooking. My mission is to bring authentic Italian recipes to a wider audience so you can wow your friends. This recipe is a variation on the traditional focaccia filled with truffle ham, cheese, eggs and parsley. Of course, you can use different fillings. It's very nice with mortadella and other salamis too. Okay, so we add and mix sugar, salt and the flour. Then mix in the potato, mashed with a potato ricer. Make a well in the center. Add 3 tablespoons of oil. Pour the warm water in and dissolve the yeast before mixing all the ingredients to form a soft dough. When it's mixed, I knead the dough and cut it into halves, one slightly larger. I then cover them to stop them from drying. Now it's time for the filling. Whisk the eggs. Grate 2 tablespoons of parmesan and 1 of pecorino. Mix it all in. Add 2 generous tablespoons of parsley, pepper and a little salt. Generously oil a warmed tin with extra virgin olive oil. So that the bottom and sides are covered. Roll the larger dough to cover the bottom of the tin and place it inside. Cover the bottom with a ham. This one has an amazing aroma of truffles. Lay the scamots on top. Spread the egg mix and cover with the top layer of dough, sealing the edges. Drizzle more oil and gently spread it uniformly. Snip a hole in the center to let the steam out. Cover it with film to retain moisture while it rises for 20 minutes in a warm oven switched off. There is a tin of hot water in the oven for extra moisture. Here I'm using datterini to decorate the focaccia, but you can use cherry tomatoes. Sprinkle on some dried oregano, then salt, pepper and more oil. Preheat the oven to 230 Celsius. Bake for 30 minutes until nicely browned. Eccola, la nostra focaccia ripiena con prosciutto al tartuffo nero, as good as it sounds. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe. And if you want, come and visit us here at Abettina Cookery. Details are in the description.